I think what they really love about this program and this class is in energy technologies. It's very hands-on. So we have a lot of project-based learning. So they're working with circuit boards and soldering. They're building wind turbines and testing blades and efficiencies, little houses. And so they really get to apply what they learn. It's really fun to see the different types of learners that actually thrive in a class where they have hands-on stuff that they can work on.
Yeah, I really like this class. It's a great opportunity to learn different skills that you don't learn in any other classes and learn about things in the real world that you can really see the application to. I really liked our soldering unit. I feel like that was really fun and hands-on and a skill that I'll actually be able to apply, maybe fix something later. I feel like it has for sure given me good ideas as to what I want to do moving forward.
I don't have to be in front of the classroom all the time. I can really just sit and help them develop their skills in a way that's much more applied and that they're doing the learning and they're doing the heavy lifting. How do we apply those skills and how do we look at efficiency standards and all of these different things with a really big engineering focus? So we really want our students to leave this program with an understanding of the engineering design process so that they can be successful outside of school.